How to deposit money on Webull via wire transfer. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can deposit money on Webull via wire transfer. So to do that, first of all, open the Webull app on your mobile device and then simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, your home page will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to tap on the transfer tab on the top side of the screen. Now tap on the option deposit. Now once you've done that, you'll have to select the second option, which is wire. Now you'll have to read the following instructions carefully before proceeding to the next steps. So once you've read all of the details, tap on the option transfer completed, notify Webull. Now scroll down and review the remittance information for the wire transfer, and once you've done that, tap on the option transfer completed, notify Webull. Now you will be taken to this page where you'll have to simply enter details such as the delivering bank. After that, you'll have to enter the ABA or the SWIFT code of your bank. Now you'll have to enter your bank account number, the amount you want to transfer in USD, and finally the initiated time. Now once you've entered all of the details, once you tap on the option submit wire transfer notifications, you'll have successfully deposited money on your Webull account via wire transfer. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.